Happy Monday, beautiful people. Happy Waffle Day and Pecan Day, depending on what food calendar you may follow. I'm your girl Poet. Let's get into your Just Curious report. So Future's baby mama now wants more child support. She was supposed to get like $1,200 a month because he said he only made like $1,700 a month. But she filed new court papers because apparently while he was on TV doing some interview, when keeping it real goes too far, he admitted or claimed that he carries $25,000 in cash on him at all times. Now she wants more money because she believes he makes more in a month. I say, Future, if you want to fight that, get with Deion Sanders, who obviously knows a thing or two about a woman on a paper chase, because he is now asking a judge to not so much annul his 14-year marriage to Pilar, but he just wants his name back and doesn't want her to be able to use his name. I say, go Deion, do whatever it is that you see fit. Apparently their prenup was only for like $1 million. I was going to say $1 million. And she's already racked up close to $2 million in attorney fees. Now we know exactly why she's fighting so hard to get some kind of money or compensation or whatever from him. Oh, Lord be with you. Oh, I should be the one to tell you right now. So, Too Short, right? He caught a break. He's not going to get the felony drug possession charge from when he got popped by the popos and tried to run on the DUI. I think they might get him out the DUI too if he claims that he was scared and he was upset that the police ran up on him. I'm just trying to help him out. So Jodeci was in London performing at Wimbledon, and this is what happens. Apparently, they were so drunk that they were singing off key, forgetting words. Dalvin did a stage dive that was a fail, and Devontae didn't even show up. They got booed off stage, and their set had to be ended by none other than Drew Hill. Shout out to the DMV. I'm like, well, damn, is that what people are doing now? But apparently so, because that's what happened. Plaxico Burress was supposed to pay some chick like $125,000 after he hurt her in an accident. Didn't pay it. She filed papers with the Florida DMV, and now his license is suspended until he pays it. See? The power of the pen. That's what everybody needs to do. They need to go and write when they're upset, not fight and use guns. Yep, that was my Stop the Violence piece for today. All right, Rihanna being told by doctors allegedly to slow down with all the weed smoking and all of that. I agree. When you're getting laryngitis every other 3 weeks and you passing out and you're dehydrated, perhaps something needs to be done. Maybe it's better to have real people in your life that know how to say no to you versus yes men, because it's not helping anyone. No word from Ray J on the fat bitch fight yet, but it'll be interesting to see exactly what transpires and goes down. I'm your girl Poet, and that is officially your Just Curious report. Have an awesome Monday. Thank God for that. And find me, poettaylor.com, for up-to-the-minute information, all that good stuff, because I'm nosy and it's what I do. Peace out.